Now, this is the picture of river Mississippi and this is the picture of river Missouri. These are the two rivers which flow through the prairies region and provide lot of water to the agricultural farms to grow large quantity of wheat. Now, let's discuss question number 2 and 3 of back exercise. Question number 2 is, why are the prairies called the wheat basket of the world? And the answer is, prairies are called the wheat basket of the world because of its very large wheat production. Because of its very large wheat production, wheat is produced here in large quantity. As I have discussed with you just now, that overgrazing by animals has killed most of the grasses in the grasslands in the prairies region, and these grasslands are now converted into agricultural farms and ranches. Ranches are the commercial farms where animals are reared for their meat, milk, and milk products. And agricultural farms, the soil in the agricultural farm is suitable for growing wheat, and wheat is produced here in large quantity. There are large wheat farms in this region, and wheat is produced over there in large quantity. Now, wheat is also exported to other countries. It is also exported to other countries as it is grown in large quantity. And rivers, river Mississippi and river Missouri, provide enough water for growing wheat in prairies region in large quantity. Now, question number 3. How do the modern machines help the farmers in the USA? Now, the answer is, the modern machines help the farmers to do the work of several workers in few hours. Do you know, students, in the agricultural farms in the prairies region, very few people are required. As you know, the whole job of farming is done by machines here. The modern machines are used here to do the whole job of farming. Only one person is required to drive that machine through the field, and the whole job of farming is done by the machine only. So, machines help the farmers to do the work of many workers in few hours. As you know, the work which is done by a machine is much faster than the human being, and these machines help them to do their work quickly in very less time. And what are those machines? Tractors and other machines help them in plowing the fields, in sowing the seeds, in reaping, in threshing, and packing of crops. These all tasks, or you can say these all works which are related to farming, is done by a single machine called combine harvester. Combine harvester is a modern machine which help the farmers to do the whole job of farming much easier. And very few people live in the prairies region in the agricultural farms because only one person is needed to drive that machine through the field. So, these modern machines help the farmers in USA in the prairies region.